Hello, I am Spooky.
Oh, you're so cute.
And this is my home. Can you, humble player, make it through 1,000 rooms?
I don't know.
Can you find what lies at the end? Or is there even an end? Because I don't really know. Anyway, just go.
Well, that was spooky, I guess. And we have to go through 1,000 rooms. Anyways, let's just go. Welcome to room number 1, guys. Okay, room number 1. And what? Is that a skeleton? Did a skeleton pop up just appear? Anyways, yeah, we have to go through 1,000 rooms of this, which I'm guessing it's gonna be. Can you not? Which I'm guessing is gonna be pretty annoying because, oh my goodness, I have to do this 1,000 times. Anyways, yeah, 995 rooms left. Get hyped. Also, guys, I'm using a new screen recorder, which is gonna be fun. Like, you're gonna be able to hear me better. Yeah, I heard that these rooms are actually auto-generated. Like, they aren't programmed or anything. They're just auto-generated, randomly generated. Carry on. Oh, this is a long one. We're at room 17. 180 more rooms left. Paintings, nice, and a random chair. I'm out. I'm gonna try to do 100 rooms in this episode, and I'll do the rest because I don't planning on finishing this entire. Because I'm not planning on finishing this entire game in one go. That's actually gonna be so nice. Stop it. Room 30. Let's carry on. And there's random cardboard cutouts popping up in front of me. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. 39 until 100 and then I'm stopping. Oh yeah, that's how you pause the game. Okay. Oh, the music changed. There you go. 47. 48. Hi. You aren't even that scary. This is actually pretty cute. 50. Hello. What's this? Oh, you can actually save your game. At first, this place just seemed cute, but I've been here for days now. I'm feeling quite parched now, and I keep getting this feeling like I'm being washed by something. This is not romantic at all. Hey there, cat. This is actually pretty cute, not scary. Oh, we're in an elevator. Well, that's pretty cool. Alright, let's go. And we're here. Okay. Wait. That's Resident Evil. Am I playing Resident Evil? Room 51. Okay. Oh, that's scary. Okay. I know there's something following me, but that ink from the Ink Man. And why did the music stop? Spouting, splashing, soaking, innards, ingest, invoking, nailing, never what? What? Oh, no, what is that? It's the slime man. Oh, God, run. Great. Is it still chasing me? Hello? Oh, hey. Look at that thing. It's so scary. Alright, I see why we have a health bar now. This guy can hit us, and I think he's still chasing me. I'm not sure. There he is again. What are you? 100. Save. I'm stopping right here. Anyways, guys, thank you all so much for watching Spooky's Jumpscare Mansion. Nothing really happened in the first 100 rooms, but who knows what might happen next. We encountered weird cardboard cutouts and a slime monster, which was pretty cool. So yeah, anyways, I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.